Hey guys, me Patrick, and welcome back to Tyke and Sounds like Krew. Well, it's upsetting for me I had to play alone, but I am here to play some more. What's my mission?
Good news! I finally found the plans for the brand new Jibbomat 2.0. Build one and we can call it a day.
Alright, yeah, I gotta build one of these things. What do we need? I just need some lumber and red lumber. And I'm good. You guys have any? Good rock. Well, time to play a tree.
6 hours later. You can come home now. You did great for the second day. For your second day, actually.
Alright, let's fail. Wood, rocks, spiders.
What a funny day. Do you want to go to bed?
Yes.
Alright, let me open the cabin then. Tomorrow is another day where I hope nothing unexpected happens. Good night.
Alright, so we're gonna be fighting 2 new guys, huh? Alright. Huh? Click here to run to the entrance. Very important. If you see anything here, flash your light from left to right. Oh no. Hearing something. Okay, it's just my imagination. Alright. Let's begin. Alright. This is weird running. Hello? Is this Pizza Castle? Go back! Go back!
Calm down.
Go. Grab this. Boom! Here's something.
I have a particular set of skills, and I will find you.
Nope. Nope. Get running.
Hey, who is cuz over there? Oh no, I ain't never seen cuz. Hey, where's you from, cuz?
Why can I play the cartoon game? Alright. Nothing. Over here. Nothing. Nothing.
My body is ready.
Oh, it's close. Nope. Go away! Nope. Okay, go get the flashlight battery. Keep going. Do. I don't know what I'm singing. Come on, let's go. Go. Nope. No killing me today. I would accept no pain. No, except no gain. I just want to sleep. Go, 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 go. Woo! We did it! We did it! That was exhausting.
Wake up! Woo! The early bird catches the worm.
Alright.
Good morning! What a beautiful day, isn't it? Yet again. Seal Bill is our first customer. He wants you to build two things. A broken ship and a wooden bird. He will surely give you something in return, so don't keep him waiting. It might be money. Now go off into the world and... Oh.
What is that?
Good morning. Are you Tyke Chop? That's me. You're under arrest for sleep disturbance and theft. What? Why me? Your killer machines have been sent last night, wandering around the city and breaking into houses. They were taking some precious jewelry with them. This can't be! I gave all the plans to my son right here. Maybe he sabotaged them.
Whoa, great help, Dad!
Since he is a minor, you would still be responsible. Since when are we talking about age? We're animals, gosh! You can't talk yourself out. Your chip-chopping robots are a danger to the inhabitants and will no longer be permitted. What if I proved to you it wasn't me? I can do that. Give me a bit of time. Please don't make this difficult. Get in the police car now. What's a car? Move now, or I will take out the taser. Mike, do something. Don't drag your son into this.
Oh, that's mean.
What is that? You really built those machines and you don't see any problems with the plans? You get time until tomorrow to prove your innocence. If you can't do it, this company is going to be shut down and every robot is getting destroyed. Remember tomorrow, that's one day, not a day longer.
Well, that was weird.
And that, son, is how you avoid the cops. But something isn't right. I really don't recall doing something illegal this time.
What do you mean this time?
We need to get to the bottom of this. You need to get to the bottom of this because I'm old. But since I really need some money now, go grant C. Bill's wishes.
Alright. Gotta prove I can sing, I get why I'm singing. I sing it, singing. The song is just good, man. Black Lumber. Please don't use 6% of everything. Everything? I don't get why this keeps changing every day. Cause I'm going straight to Seaville. Nothing is stopping me. Oh, this guy might have something. Yeah, there's. Seaville?
Build a shipwreck and a wooden bird for his stylish seabill.
Alright, how do I do that? What's on the plans today? Okay, one bird, so wood, one bird, and feathers. What is that thing? Is it a crazy face and a crazier face? It doesn't even look like the faces. Okay, and a shipwreck. I could make one if I had more water bottles. Fancy lightning! Metal bar, lightning bottle, Rockstar Fredbear, Nendo head, Nendo torso, metal bar, and robotic wires. Why is this a blueprint?
Wood report! This robot has exactly what you need. A rock farm. How extraordinary. Fascinating. And they grow up so fast. These caves are overflowing with spiders. This is abnormal. Palm trees drop items all the time. This is but we got it. Thank you for helping us out. Let's make it up to you with some free water.
Well, that sounds my answer. So, question? Doing one of those things to make a fire chip. And a lot of wood and a lot of lumber. Alright, while I wait for the rest, I'm gonna just play some little games. The green pipe. Get some flowers. What is that? Why are you trying to attack me? Nope. I think I lured you now. Come on. You want me to get close? Nope. 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 We're even speeds. I ain't gonna stop. What am I even talking about? Made it!
Congratulations. Here, take your reward.
Green pipe. Guess we were fighting Thwop, so it made sense. Oh, fuck.
This level isn't available right now. Please come back later.
Alright. Done.
See, Bill wants to thank you for your efforts. Go meet him at the birdhouse.
Alright. Well, what's happening here?
Well, does Seabill actually live here? Yes, bro, he does. It's his cabin. And we are talking about the one and only Seabill. The one who survived the most brutal robot attack to date? We do, bro. Still Chat, exotic residence, owner of Seabill Industries. Trademark. That's him. Whoa, that's sick. I'm his biggest fan. Especially the story about him surviving the robot attack is incredible. True, but he doesn't want to talk about that really. You gotta respect that. Understand? Understood.
Okay.
Thanks for the wooden bird and broken ship. Will come in handy someday, I assume. For now, I don't really have any tasks for you, and I think it's only fair that I just give you something in return. No, not money. Who told you that? I would actually pay you with money. I have something far better. Oh, what some peeps were talking about? What? Some peeps were talking about me outside? They mentioned a robot attack? I feel a bit uncomfortable talking about that, but I guess you deserve to know. It happened a few years ago. I was attacked at night by a giant killer robot. A loud noise woke me up. I looked out the window and saw the machine.
Well, that's just a giant egg. Crack that open, I'll eat it.
It had weapons all over it, and it looked like a giant floating egg. I tried reaching out with my wing, hoping that I'd come in peace, doing it like an adult, you know. The only thing I've got in return was a light blue beam that destroyed my house. I ended up lying in between piles of burnt down wood that once were my cabin. But surprisingly, I was unharmed. To this day, people think I'm invincible. Well, that's rubbish. I was simply lucky. It was a sad thing, though, as I have lost a whole lot of money that was stored in the cabin. Bad things happen from time to time, and I'm just happy that I'm still alive. Anyway, back to the main topic now. What I actually wanted to give you was this. A key card to the elevator that leads to the most epic place you'll ever visit. Go take a look. You will like what's down there.
Alright. So we're going down to the elevator.
Go take a look at what's down the elevator. You'll like it.
Alright. Let's go. Whoa! Man, this came out of nowhere. Huh?
I'm not here for the music, it's too loud. I just think the DJ is real cute.
Okay.
So calm and relaxing. What did he say? What did he say? Sorry, the music is real loud. That's why I'm screaming like this.
Have you said?
So calm and relaxing.
Alright. Hello? Can I talk to this guy? Well, I got some sick dance moves. How about that?
Hey, is that the beaver dance? Rad! Are you the son of Tyke Chop? Son of the great Chipper Chop? I heard that your family had some sick remixes to offer back in the days. You should ask your father if he can lend us a classic beaver remix.
I don't like the fact that, Seabill's gone. Try again. Still depressed that no one played the minigame? I thought so. Hey, Dad!
Heyo, good that you're here. Listen, I need your help. One of my older robots that I thought was destroyed reactivated himself and now runs amok in the dump. You still owe me one since the coffee incident yesterday. Go fight the robot.
What?
Or make it go away. I don't care, as long as our precious company is safe again. Good luck, son.
Wait a second, wait. Am I gonna fight a robot? Is this a boss fight? It's gonna alarm me here.
Something happened that really upsets me. I was supposed to get trashed, and I am working perfectly fine. I still woke up here in the dump this morning. You animals wanted to trash me. You disgusting, smelly animals.
Rude?
Look at my six-pack. I'm ripped.
Yeah, there's no way we could beat that.
I'm going to crush you. I'm going to smash you to the ground. Sit on you, tear you apart, and make lumber out of you.
Oh god, the lumber fights back! That makes a good thumbnail. It makes a good title for the video.
You think you could stop me? Even your stupid father is too scared to face me. That's why he sent you. He knows that I'm strong. He made me and forgot to permanently turn me off. Sad thing. Time to suffer, beaver boy!
Oh, Alexis! Oh, come on, let's fight. I'm here to throw hands, as what Mega Sponge says. Get him! Get him! Chop him!
Oh, that hurt! Prepare to die!
Why is he doing this? Oh yeah, right, he explained. I just forgot. Oh! Die! How did I not get hit? Come on, let's go. I think I gotta hit him one more time, right? He won't stop the last in that one spot! I don't know why these cells are here. Got him! I got him! Ah! Why did I give you deja vu? I haven't won!
I knew you could do it. Overall, a pretty neat battle. I give it a 7 out of 10. So the DJ in Seabill's Underground Disco wanted a beavery song with a Seek Beaver beat. Glad to say that I can deliver. I was young once too. I know what's hip. I know what's groovy. I know how you kids do your hashtags and stuff. This one is called "Look What You Made Me Chop" by Timber Swift. I guess some people might know that, but I actually don't really. What an old classic. Who could dislike that? I hope the few scratches on the disc haven't done anything to the tune. But there's no better way to know than to try it out. Go, son, and tell me if they liked it!
Okay. Oh, we even got a disc symbol on us. That's neat. Kill this thing. Kill this thing. Epic elevator montage! You want your sick beats? I got it!
Thank you! Let's try this out!
Why do you keep looking back at me? Surprisingly, no lyrics.
Skip it up and down.
Oh my god! Crazy! No, I got dick! Oh, what happened? Where am I?
Hey, you! Are you slacking off? I hope not. Back to work. Wait, your helmet. Where's your helmet?
Wait, I don't even look like you.
You must wear your helmet at all times. Here, catch.
Nice stuff.
Okay, whatever. These robots don't build themselves. Go gather materials from the cave. Like 200 robo-rocks and put them in the container over here. Hurry, collect 200 robo-rocks and put them in the container over here.
Oh man, I don't even get told by my dad to do this. What is this?
Our barrels are really weak. Even a mouse could break them.
Is that anything? Oh snap, it actually works. Oh wait, there's the thing right there.
Need keycard. No keycard detected. Look at my little dancing boy. Look at him!
Yeah, he's awesome. I don't like that big thing in the background. Looks weird. Reminds me of Freddy for some reason.
This is the 5th time I lost this week. This is the 5th helmet I lost this week. Inspector's gonna get so angry when he hears about this.
Wait, this wasn't here before. Helmet. Give it to the dude.
My helmet, thank you. Here, I have a secondary key card for the mini bot. Take it before the inspector sees that you lost yours.
I think it's a little too late. Wait a minute. Wait a minute! This really brings back to what I said. You look the same.
Key card accepted. Happy mining.
Look, Robo-Rocks with a minibot. What is this beat we got here? I missed it over here. Oh, I can't hit it from there. Oh boy. Dodge these things. Go! Alright, let's go. collect these rocks. Let's try again. Here we go. I will break every stone there is. Charge! Oh. Yeah. Alright, let's go. A lot of collecting here. What is this? What? I got an endo torso. Why is that in here? The rest of the robot is in here. Alright. I'm close to the end of this. Let's do it. So just gotta watch out for this thing. Gotta keep shooting. Let's go. Oh, come on! Is there more? Alright, wait for him to do it one more time, then go. Go! Go! Made it! Let's go. Uh-oh. Alright, there's the thing I'm gonna follow. No! Yes! That was scary, man! Alright, let's get out of here. Okay, that was a little risky. I'm gonna go that way. Oh god, that was scary. Let's go. Da-da! We did it! Alright.
Key card accepted.
Oh no. Not again. Okay. Alright. Can I just break these barrels? Yeah. What do you guys say?
Break time. Break time. Break time.
Oh,
Break time. Break time.
Who are these
Break
guys?
time. Break time. Break time. Break time. Break time.
We'll go in. Huh?
And this is where workers come to rest and enjoy some of our entertaining animatronics.
Oh god.
Oh my god! So cool! Shh. Just because I was allowed to bring you to work today doesn't mean that we can go all crazy in here. Let's just watch the band. Where's the singer? Oh yeah, the lead singer. Julie wants to know that story. Please tell me. So you probably already knew about the special robot Seabill produced himself a few years ago back. Yes, I do. Summer crab and the mushroom one. Oh, and the beaver. Yes, so he made one for us workers too.
Oh boy.
He was a duplicate of Seabill, only a little larger. The name was Seabilly, but most of us just called him Seabill IXC.
What? That makes no sense.
He was designed to entertain and serve drinks and ice cream.
Are you sure you got the right robot for that kind of thing? It sounds oddly familiar.
But as you can imagine, this didn't end well.
I'm gonna whip you, boy!
We heard about Summer Crab and the other special robots going wild. One of our workers got so scared that he tried to destroy Seabilly.
Sounds like what Mega Sponge would have done if we had a real-life animatronic.
We were able to stop him, but Seabilly was broken.
Crazy.
The other day, he was missing. We assumed a malfunction made him leave. Ooh, scary. That's so cool. Hope he visits us someday, then I can meet him. Better not. No one knows what the damage really did to him. Well, imagine if he come to get us at night while we're sleeping in our house, not knowing.
Yeah, I'm already done with that.
Would that be an awesome horror story?
I'm living it!
I don't think that's a new idea, bro. Aw.
Oh, and I can place a sucker too. If I had metal bars. Where do I get metal bars? Who are you?
Pay 3 pay 3 spiders to get a metal bar.
Alright. Hopefully I got enough. Yeah, I know I got enough. See how far I can keep going. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, this just keep going. I'm surprised I'm actually counting. How many spiders do I have? 10 more. Might as well make a guy. Oh, I got a golden acorn out of him. I guess it makes sense since he's like Golden Freddy. Oh, and stuff.
Chop, chop, chop. Need more lumber. Come and get it.
Alright.
Yar. When searching for me cheese, found this instead.
Oh god, I didn't know Wallace was a pirate.
I'm starting to think that this is more than just a statue. Why does it drop real bird feathers?
You tell me. There's more than I placed in there. Let's go. This is weird. Let's go.
Snooping around doesn't understand the concept of privacy. Mike, I would strangle you if I could. I can't do it in the open.
Shut off the dang music!
Anyway, I have to think of something fast.
I have to kill him where nobody will ever find his body.
I remember there being a good place for it. And someone to do it for me. I have to make him go there by himself, though. Nobody can ever know what my deal is.
And if that doesn't work, well, I'll probably have to reactivate it.
I'm so evil!
Where have you been? I'm slightly worried. Worried because you don't have a brother who could take care of all the mess that a missing Mike would cause. Well, and we actually got 2 more submissions. We'll be doing these for the rest of the day. Is that clear? Someone wants us to build rock chop. They're practically a triple mat 2.5, but not really. See that? How you get this done too?
I thought it was 2. Yeah. I don't know how that many rocks. I guess I'll make it real quick. Rock board.
Another customer want a store machine. You may want to build something else first.
What does that mean? What is that? I don't know, get it. I'll get the coffee to go. So, well, time to make whoever this guy is. What is that? Unknown. Hello?
Hello, this is Mixless. You know, the person who made this game. Let me tell you an interesting story about this very object. Okay, here we go. As you probably know, it is referencing a similar object that could be found in my first uploaded game, Baby's Nightmare Circus. In fact, it uses the same model. Why, you ask? Because I'm lazy cow. I'm actually lazier than any cow that ever existed. And here is the problem. When I started developing the very game you are playing right now, Tyke and Sons Lumberco, I had that brilliant idea of mixing Five Nights at Freddy's and Chipper and Sons Lumberco. Turns out that was the worst thing I ever started. You are probably wondering why I would say that. You probably think this is the best game ever made. Well, yes, it is the best game ever made, yet my biggest mistake. I had that idea on an afternoon. I modeled the Chipper at 1.0 and thought this needs to be in a game. But it shouldn't be a small game. No. After one single bathroom break it was decided. I was going to make a game that would eventually take me 1.5 years to finish. I graduated during the time, and I also made that stupid baby on a bike game. I hadn't even finished classic mode at the time of my decision. How could a lazy person like me take on such an ambitious project with everything else going on in life? Let's just say it didn't go that smooth. Why was I so stupid? I don't know. Why am I telling you this through this item that you just got a second coffee to go for? Because I had no better use for it. But one thing is certain. It should be obvious, but to those who are as uneducated as I was back then, don't do the same mistake I did. Don't throw away 1.5 years of your life for such a spontaneous idea. It isn't worth it, at least not when started. As it is now though, this game will always hold a special place in my blocky yellow seal heart. But I've learned from my mistake, and I hope to have helped at least one person today to make the right decisions. Now, I'm sorry for breaking the fourth wall here. I will get some tape to get it put back together soon. I will now try to implement this bit into this game's storyline. Let's just say that this part right here is a dream. Mike took some really bad, let's say, substances that nobody should ever take. Mike didn't wake up from it. He tragically died.
Oh, I got dead again. This game stinks. Ah!